Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Salesloft AI to automate sequence personalization, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Salesloft account. Navigate to the settings section in the top right corner of the dashboard. Under the automation tab, select sequence configuration. Click on the Create New Sequence button. Give your sequence a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Next, choose the type of outreach you want to focus on, such as emails or calls. Add steps to your sequence by clicking on the Add Step button. For each step, select the type of action you want to automate. When creating an email step, personalize the message by adding dynamic fields. Use placeholders like recipient name, company name, and other relevant information. Adjust the timing of each step according to your outreach strategy. Make sure to set follow-up intervals that keep your engagement consistent. Review your sequence to ensure all steps flow logically. Test your sequence by sending a sample email to yourself or a colleague. Monitor the performance of your sequence through Salesloft's analytics dashboard. Gather feedback and make adjustments to improve your personalization. Regularly update your sequences based on engagement metrics and recipient responses. This completes your setup of Salesloft AI for automating sequence personalization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.